So welcome back, guys. So in this video we'll be learning how can we fetch the records which we updated in the phpMyAdmin, and we will now display this all the records which we will be adding here into this form. Okay, so in the last video we have created the file upload section of all the three photos. So now we will again go to the inc folder, and we will open the page called products body.php. Okay, so now here we will write select statement. Okay, so select statement for fetching the records which we have uploaded in the database. So we have already created the select statement. For that we will open one page called login body, and here we have the select statement since we have verified. Okay, so we have verified the details using the login page. Okay, and let me copy the select statement once again so that we don't have to write it again and again. And now I will go to products body.php page, and at the end of the PHP tag, just above the end of the PHP tag, so here is the statement, and this is unnecessary one bracket. So select from users, here instead of select from users we will write select from products, where id equals to 1, where id equals to 1. So why id equals to 1? Because here we have only one product, and the id of that product is 1. Okay, so that's all. We don't have to write longer codes. And then for each result as data, we have also done it. We will remove all unnecessary codes from here, and let us also start the loop here. It's totally up to you. We can close the loop here or not. And now here I will write as PID equals dollar row this ID, and then let us save it. PID equals this one, and now we will go to the form, and in the value we will be checking whether my PHP code is working correct or not, and echo $PID, and let us reload the page. Again, there is something wrong with the PHP code. So here we have opened the loop, but we haven't closed it. Let us reload it. Now I can see the ID here, which is 1. Instead of the ID, I will simply write the column name, which is pro underscore name, sorry. So let us copy the code of ID, and instead of PID we will be writing pname, and let us copy the column name once again. Oh, so the column names are also available in the same page. It is also available here, so we don't have to copy it from the phpMyAdmin. So let us go to this page, and we will delete all the unwanted text which we have written here, and instead of PID I will be now writing pname. Let us copy it here, and here PSP, PRP, then PSP, and here let us remove the value. Okay, P description DASC. Okay, so that's all. Now we should make the variables here as well. PSP, and then from here this is pro SP. Let us copy it once again and paste it here, PRP, and this is pre-RP. And then let us also copy the description DESC and paste it here, pro DESC. So instead of the multivitamin, let us write Revital tablets here, T heavy LETS, and regular price will be around 1200 rupees and the sales price will be 99 rupees. So here is a big discount. Okay, and let us go to one website called Lipsum, and let us copy the code from here and let us paste it here, and I will click on the update button. Now I am able to see the okay, and now let us go to the browse. Here Revital tablets, RP is 1200, SP is 99, description is being fetched here, and all the things which we have written and submitted are displaying it in this table, sorry, in this form. Okay, so we have successfully completed linking the project with our phpMyAdmin. The project is live now, and the product page is also working fine. We also have to do the orders page, but this page will be done once we complete the mobile application, okay, or at least 50-40% of the mobile application. So our next task will be to link the mobile application with this software with the help of PHP and MySQL. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for further updates.